Who are you?
My name is Trinity.
Trinity.
Neo, I love you.
When Lana approached me, she spoke about having a story to tell, which centered around Neo and Trinity. And that sounded really exciting to me.
It just felt effortless. Neo and Trinity, it's like we're still just in the beginning.
Neo's getting a second chance at his life, and he's getting a second chance with the person that he says, the only person I ever loved.
It's such a beautiful love story.
I wasn't sure I'd see you again. Have we met?
Trinity and Neo, to me, kind of represents this union. The experience is that something beyond yourself. You know, whatever that is, it feels like they're in that together.
They both are like well-oiled machinery. Their characters, the way they speak, the way they know each other, even as people. It's just so wonderful to see their camaraderie.
I found it surprisingly emotional. Seeing the two of them together, it feels incredible. Every time I'm in a scene and there's Neo, there's Trinity. Like on the outside, I'm like, oh yeah, this is normal. This is just like work. But on the inside, my stomach is doing backflips because it's so cool.
You see Carrie and Keanu reflecting that in this way that is only possible because of the time that has passed.
For us, it was so emotional. It was almost like, how do we not cry?
We both love these characters. It's so deeply moving for us.
The ambition of the story, the love story of it, the quest of it. It's big.